The Internet Marketer Training Channel by George Pierce presents a Mr. P's Kicky Quickie video. If you are a YouTuber, if you have a YouTube channel, the message in this brief video is for you. Your YouTube channel makes you a member of the YouTube community, and that includes a free blog. You can make posts as you see here. There are two ways to gain access. Go to YouTube, click on your YouTube icon, then click on YouTube Studio. Click on Content in the left column. Now you can click on Posts at the top. You now have access to all the posts that you have already made. To create a new post, click on the Create button towards the top right of your page. You can insert your text where it says Post an update to your fans. You can add up to 5 images. If you want to get feedback, you can add an image poll or a text poll. You can also add a video, and you can include links in your posts as well. If you like this video, if you are finding value in this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Do that right now, thank you. And consider joining the channel and ringing the bell so you will be notified every time that Mr. P uploads a new video. Allow me to wish you much success. I want to say thank you for watching. See you in the next video.